Hi, it's Wesley with Expandacraft. I'm on the Solo Expedition Trimaran. Come on in and I'll show you a little bit more about this incredible boat. Okay, I'm sitting here with my feet underneath me. I can come off of the tent. What I did is I made a plywood plank that goes back here. When you're not tenting, you can remove this and set it aside. But it also gives you the opportunity to have your feet underneath you here. You can store your goods and things that you need. There is storage in the back, I'll show you, but you can't access it with this particular tent. You'd have to have one that has a door in the back. The good thing about this tent is it has a vent here, but it's still covered with the Bimini top. So you don't get the sun directly on you, which right now the sun would be bearing down on me, but I can sit out here, maybe have a stove. This is an old pedal-powered kayak with an Expandacraft Outrigger Kit. This Outrigger Kit I chose to max out. There's 3 1-foot wide planks that are 6 feet long on either side. I can push them together to make a 6-foot square plank, but it's better to do it this way. You can max out the space. I have a swim ladder that telescopes. I can throw that down and get back in this boat without having to clamber on or wallow on like a walrus. You have the roller furling sail. This one's rather small, but it still sails upwind, especially if you pedal and sail. I have an electric motor back there, so you have a combination. You can pedal, sail, or motor individually or in any combination. A little bit of motor, a little bit of sail, a little pedal, a little sail. Either way you want to go. Now, follow me on around here and I'll show you the back end of the boat. Alright, so here we are at the business end. I have a Newport Vessels 55-pound thrust motor. And underneath the tent and that board that goes across is a 105 amp hour lead acid battery. Now lead acid is heavy. You can get the lithium ion, which is much lighter, but they're quite a bit more money. In that I had so much extra flotation because I have a full kayak and I have the Expandacraft Outriggers, the weight isn't that much of an issue until I go to take the thing out to charge it up. Woo! Now, you have more space for storage back here, and if you had a tent that had a zippable window, you could get to it without having to get out of the tent or come around. Like if you were camping out at anchor instead of on a beach. That's what this is designed for, so you can be your own little island. I took a piece of aluminum, I folded it, and right here at the edge I made, I just took double-sided tape, 3M tape, to stick it together, and that increases the amount of area on the rudder, makes it much more effective, especially for the sailing and for going through channels with a lot of wave action. Expandacraft.com. This is just one of many boats that we offer. This is the Solo. We are soon going to build a tandem, so it'll be a 16-foot tandem pedal-powered kayak with 16-foot Expandacraft outriggers and a larger Bimini and more stuff. Probably the same motor setup. It works just fine. Expandacraft.com. Check us out.